Welcome, importers, to another insightful episode of Logistics 9's exploration through quality-made products from China. Today, we're delving into the realm of housekeeping essentials, a treasure trove of items meticulously crafted for your wholesale needs at Yiwu International Trade Mart. Let's kick off our exploration with top-notch cleaning tools, a vital arsenal for every household. From sturdy brooms to efficient mops, versatile squeegees to sturdy dustpans, and an assortment of brushes and cleaning sponges, Yiwu presents an extensive range to keep every space pristine. You can explore innovative vacuum cleaners, lint rollers, and step stools, along with window squeegees for your inventory. Now, onto the cleaning agents, the secret behind spotless spaces. Yiwu presents a diverse range, from powerful all-purpose cleaners and disinfectants to glass and floor cleaners, bathroom cleaners, degreasers, and stain removers. Rest assured that your customers will appreciate the effectiveness and variety of these cleaning solutions. Managing waste is essential, and Yiwu provides a comprehensive range of items to choose from, including an assortment of trash cans, trash bags in various sizes, can liners, and recycling bins to keep spaces tidy and eco-friendly. From the crisp scent of laundry detergents to the gentle touch of fabric softeners and the powerful efficiency of bleaches, Yiwu offers a diverse selection of laundry essentials. You can also order laundry baskets, clothespins, and discover the perfect iron and ironing board to keep your customers' wardrobes looking fresh and pristine. Moving to the heart of the home, Yiwu offers a wide variety of kitchen hygiene products, such as liquid and bar dish soaps, dish racks, kitchen towels, oven cleaners, and garbage disposal cleaners, all designed to maintain a clean and organized kitchen space. Bathroom cleaning is made easy with Yiwu's collection of shower cleaners, towels, shower curtains, bath mats, and a variety of bathroom cleaning supplies that cater to hygiene and aesthetics. Whether you're refreshing your inventory or expanding your product offerings, Yiwu Market has everything you need to meet the demands of your customers. Personal hygiene is a priority, and Yiwu provides essentials like hand soap, hand sanitizer, tissues, paper towels, and wet wipes, ensuring a clean and healthy environment for your customers. Moving on to air fresheners, the suppliers here sell a delightful array of scents to transform any space. You can choose from a variety of options, including aerosol sprays, plug-in fresheners, reed diffusers, and potpourri. Manufactured in China's best factories, these items bring a touch of nature indoors. Ensure homes remain pest-free with their comprehensive pest control selection. From insect repellents and bug sprays to traps for mice and insects, as well as pest control sprays, this market provides effective solutions to keep households protected. Ensure the safety and protection of your customers with these latex gloves, rubber gloves, safety goggles, and masks, all designed for various household tasks while prioritizing personal safety. Let's not forget the floor cleaner selection at Yiwu International Trade Mart. Polish, floor wax, carpet cleaner, rug grippers, furniture cleaners, and mirror sprays, because your customers' homes deserve nothing less than perfection. Extend the life of appliances with specialized cleaners. Discover refrigerator cleaners, dishwasher cleaners, washing machine cleaners, and screen wipes and sprays, all designed to keep your appliances in top-notch condition. Let's complete the lineup with this selection of automatic soap dispensers, paper towel dispensers, and tissue box holders. Practical, stylish, and ready for bulk purchase to meet the diverse needs of your customers. As we wrap up this tour, remember that all these quality housekeeping items are available for bulk purchase, allowing you to curate a diverse inventory tailored to your customers' needs. If any of these housekeeping products caught your eye and you'd like to import them, just drop us a WhatsApp message. See you in our next video, where we'll continue to browse even more exciting wholesale China products only at Yiwu International Trade Mart. Thanks for watching.